I feel so refreshed.
That's good.
The people.
Oh! Mm-mm. Oh! Hi guys, it's Jasmine. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a special guest, my mom.
Hi.
And we are going to do an at-home facial. So let's get started. Now the first thing we're going to do is wash our face. Okay, so this is the Tatcha Polished Classic Rice Enzyme Powder that turns into a cleanser.
A powder?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, so it's in powder form now, and then you pour it onto your hand, and then get some water, rub it all up, and then put it on your face.
Okay.
And cleanse.
We'll try it.
Mm-hmm.
It's liquidy. Can you see that?
Okay, the next cleanser that we're using is by Arbonne. It's the Smoothing Face Cleanser, and this one's more delicate. The other one was more of like an exfoliator type of situation, and this one will bring a little bit more life back into the face.
Life. We all need life in our face. Oh my goodness.
I know.
It's like a Mother's Day treat.
Mm-hmm.
Post Mother's Day.
Now we're being extra today, and we're going to do 2 face masks.
2?
One to get all the acne off of our face, and then the second one will hydrate and brighten our face, and we have other masks to choose later. So, which one do you want to use for?
Let me read these. Meet Mud, your skin's new best friend.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna try this one. It's by Grace and Stella. See?
You got it. Oh, look at you. And then I'm gonna use this charcoal mask.
Dead Sea and Mud Mask. That's what mine's called. How much do you put on?
For your whole face. Gotta lather it up.
That's a lot of mud.
I forgot that this one stings.
Ooh, there's so much of it on you.
Yeah, you gotta lather it up.
More?
Mm-hmm.
Ooh. Like you jumped in the mud.
Well, yeah, you have to use a lot to get it to work.
Said so.
I did.
I think you'd be making up the rules. Leave some for later.
Well, yeah, there's a lot in here. Okay, so we are going to wait and let these sit on our faces for like, what, 10 minutes?
10 minutes. Sounds
Okay.
good to me.
All right, we'll be back. All right, we're back, and we're going to take this off before we go into the next step. It is waxing time. Our eyebrows need a good waxing.
Yeah. It's been a while.
Yeah. So, the Easter Bunny got me this for Easter. And so this is just an at-home wax stripping kit. And
If you don't believe in the Easter Bunny, she won't come.
okay, the Easter Bunny. Okay, first thing, clean your skin with facial toner. So, here it is.
But our face cannot be any more cleaner than it already is.
Just to make sure that we got everything off. Because we didn't put the mask in the eyebrows. Now, are we going to be waxing each other's eyebrows, or are you going to wax yours and I'm going to wax my own?
I don't know. It's up to you. How do you?
How much do you trust me?
Not that much. I know you trust me because I have done yours before.
Mm-hmm.
I'll do yours and I'll do mine.
I like that idea.
There's only one in here?
No, there's 4. Separate the strips slowly and evenly. Open it.
Open it.
Yeah. They look so cute.
Why is there so many
Show
different
them.
ones?
For the different shape of your eyebrows. Can you see that? Yeah, I think I can see that.
Which shapes are these?
So I'm guessing. Ooh. Oh, so this is for your like arch, right? So that this goes.
Oh, that makes good sense.
Oh, look at that! I believe that we can figure this out.
Head up.
All right. Better not get my good hair. I only have a small amount of good hair now. I'm scared for this.
Now what do you do next? Do you leave it on there?
Tighten your skin and remove. Strip quickly against the direction of the hair growth. Oh,
Okay.
this feels weird. Did you push it on? Push it on more, please.
Oh, wait, I got much hair.
Let me see. Let me get a mirror, please.
I got it. Stay focused. Let me just rip it. I'm ready to rip.
Okay.
This is gonna hurt.
I gotta tighten my skin. How do I tighten?
do that.
Oh, I thought I do.
You can't tighten.
Oh, just do it. Do it.
Beauty is
Ow,
painful.
okay. That was not bad.
Oh, that did good.
Let me see.
Just a little.
My eye's watering.
Okay, it's supposed to water. Focus, Linda.
See difference?
Yeah, I see the line.
Oh yeah. Ooh, look at that.
Focus. Ready?
Mm-mm. You didn't do that fast.
That's good stuff right there.
Did you get it? You got a lot. Please don't take off more of the orange.
Just showing over here.
Wait, that looks like it's on my eyebrow.
Those just got up in there, but I got the
Okay.
line. See, I should have been an esthetician, but instead I'm a speech language pathologist. Man, you looking like $1 million, girl. That looks phenomenal.
Okay.
We'll talk later.
Oh, that didn't even hurt.
That's because you don't have that much in the middle.
This one needs some help.
Don't worry, I got you. I got you. Girl.
But don't take off the big
Ooh,
thing.
all that on my finger. I'm not. I'm gonna just. I've done your eyebrows
I
before,
know, I'm just
Felicia.
nervous. Wait.
What happened? Uh-oh.
What? Uh-oh. Don't say uh-oh. My eyes water.
Could you move? I can see.
Now, my mom is going to do hers off camera, but I think I might do my lip.
Oh, Lord, pray for me.
I'm scared to pull this thing off.
Let me do it.
I don't want it to hurt.
It's gonna hurt. Maddie, you want to do these? The people.
Oh! Oh!
1, 2, 3.
Oh!
This is the Wonder Woman symbol.
Okay, I'm all waxed and done. My mom is still waxing. But hey, my eyebrows look kind of good.
Oh! Jiminy crickets of crickets of jiminies.
We're using Thayer's Facial Toner in Witch Hazel.
This is Lancome Advanced Genique.
Fancy.
Fancy.
She got the fancy.
Youth Activating Concentrate.
And then I have the CeraVe Hydrating Hyaluronic Acid Serum.
All right. Mine requires a little. And then you do this.
Now, do you put the product on your neck too?
Yes. You have to have the ageless neck. And you have to go upwards. You always go upwards.
Oh, we need to use your stuff. Your roller.
You can use one of these. These are great. It has a little vibrating action. And it goes, ooh, it's cool when you first put it on your face. It's lovely. It's supposed to go a little slower. But
You got excited?
I didn't want you to miss the cool. See? No, one direction. Just one direction. Yes. Up. You always go up because you want everything to lift, not droop.
All right, next step.
So this goes along with the Lancome Genique line, and it's their eye cream. And you always use your middle finger. Do you know why you use your middle finger?
Because it's the lightest finger.
Yes. What you doing over there?
Okay,
not
'cause
your
I have
middle finger,
nails.
your ring finger. I'm sorry.
What?
Your ring finger. You always use your ring finger.
This is like a putty.
Okay. You use too much. A little goes a long way.
Oh, this feels nice.
Oh, haven't felt this good in a while. This is so nice to get all done up. Okay, I'm using the Absolutely Ageless Daily Moisturizer by Aveeno.
And
I find it's very good.
And then I'm using the Murad.
I don't know.
Murad Hydro Dynamic Ultimate Moisturizer.
I feel so refreshed.
That's good. Me too.
Thanks, daughter. It's a great idea.
All right. I think we're done.
All right. Well, thank you for having me.
And thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed today's video, definitely give this video a like. And also, if you want to see more videos from me, you can hit that subscribe button below. And also, don't forget to follow me on my social medias. They'll be posted on the screen right now. All right, see you guys next time. Bye, guys.
Bye.